love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
So guys, so unboxing tayo ngayon ng accessories. So ito yung mga nabili ko. So ito yung cabin filter. Sa online shopping, Shopee or Lazada, I think sa Shopee ko siya nabili 1.5 plus plus shipping fee. So yan, hindi ko pa install ko mamaya, subukan ko install mamaya, videohan ko. So hi guys, kunin lang natin yung mag-unbox na tayo ng cabin filter. So ito sa placed, maya ko na lang install. So ito muna yung cabin filter, medyo natagalan ko na install, pero ayun 1.5, so may shipping fee na 85 from Shopee. So buksan na natin muna. So ayan, hirap pala, meron pa palang tape. So ano pala to, cabin filter, ayan, washable. So para hindi na ako bumibili ng bago. So yun, open ko lang. Hirap pala buksan ito. Ano ba siya? So literal na unboxing.
Meanwhile,
the climate control system of your car is designed to heat or cool the environment you're in and to provide fresh air to the passengers of the vehicle. Virtually every vehicle has two choices for passenger airflow: fresh air or recirculated air. So let's take a look at how the system works. Your vehicle's climate control system pulls fresh air from a vent under the hood, located near the engine bay, typically in the rain tray or otherwise separated by some sort of physical barrier from the dirt, oil, and heat of the engine. This position near the base of the windshield is an area of high air pressure, which means there's always a plentiful supply of fresh air for the system to use. Once the air is entered through the inlet, it is directed to the heater box. The heater box contains all of the major components of the climate control system, more or less, such as the blower motor, cabin air filter, and flaps to select for fresh or recycled air, and all the heating and cooling elements in general. The cabin air filter does this thing first, removing physical particles from the air such as dirt, mold spores, and other particulate matter. At the same time, the activated charcoal section, if it's equipped with one, absorbs chemicals and other odor-causing contaminants. So, after leaving either the heater core or evaporator circuits, the air is then directed by a final set of flaps to whatever interior vents are selected on the climate controls. From there, it meets your nostrils and lungs for the very first time.
2,000 years later.
Isang kamay lang. Wait lang. So, madali lang sana pag meron akong gunting, kaso wala. Sige, mano-mano, unboxing talaga yung gagawin natin. Starter is real. Yan. Holy cow. Tigas mo, pre. Tigas mo, pre. Yan mga bay. Kuha ko na. Na-open ko na mga bay. So yun. Buksan nga natin. So ito siya. Yan. Oops. Inassemble lang pala yung carton. Anyways, tapon muna natin sa likod. Oh shoot. Yung cabin filter for yung pinili ko for espresso, pero walang nakalagay, pero sabi fit to for espresso. Lagay ko na lang sa link kung product. Kung saan ko siya binili. Sure ako parang Shopee. Mas mura sa Shopee na nakita ko. So, yan. Gamitan na natin ang bibig. So yun, buksan ko na. So ito, so nakita ko sa ano, lagyan natin sa likod na ito. Yan. Yo. So yung nakita ko, sabi sa video, linisin mo na to, kunin. So ito, kunin. Sige, okay na yan. So babaklasin lang yung, so flashlight lang ako, medyo madilim. So yan, babaklasin lang daw ito yung stopper. Pati sa kabila. May stopper ito. Yan. Paano ba ito? Yan. 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 Ito na yan. Gaya ng cabin filter. So, push lang na dito. Yan. Parang i-press lang. Ay, parang tatanggalin mo lang ito dito. Tapos mo-move. Ayan. I-move mo lang siya. Yan. So, paglagay ng cabin, wala namang instruction kung ano. Wala natin pag kung nag-fit siya. Yan. Okay. Maluwag. Subukan natin ito. Yan. Yan. Parang fit siya. So, ito yung pwesto niya. Yan. Ito fit siya pag ganito. So, yan. Pupush ko lang. Saan yung cover niya? Ito yung cover niya. So yan, hanggang mo lang, push mo lang. Ito, nakita ko lang din naman to sa ano, sa YouTube. Pinafollow ko lang. So, ayan, gumawa na rin ako na. Kita ba? Medyo madilim mo lang like. Yan. Ito. Kailangan pa lang i-push pataas. So kailangan mo pang i-push pataas to kasi meron pa lang ito. So kailangan mong push pataas para mag-lock. So ito, push mo siya pataas para magkaroon ng space. Yan. Tapos saka mo siya ilagay ulit. Flashlight lang natin. So yan, kita na. So yan. Yun. Yan, nag-lock na. Yan. Ay, wait lang. Yan, lock na. Nandyan na. Okay. So, balik mo lang. Balik mo lang ito. Yan. Push mo lang. Yan. Tapos na. Struggle is real pag isang one hand. And lagay ko lang yung gamit. So yun guys, yun lang. So ano pala, yung car ko pala Spresso. So yun. Tapos na lagay ko na yung cabin filter for Suzuki Spresso. So lagay ko na lang sa description yung link kung nung binilhan ko nito. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.